So this is what's happening at the farmhouse today. Come take a look. Are you a dude that travels? This Dude Case is for you. This by far is my husband's favorite travel kit. It's just big enough for all your toiletries, but still easy to pack in your carry-on or suitcase. Its design allows you to open the case, see everything inside, but never actually need to unpack anything. All your stuff stays organized and visible from the body of the case itself. Oh yeah, and did I mention that there's a handy zippered pocket with a carabiner attached to a rope where you can tuck away your car key or other loose valuables you want to keep safe. All those little travel details have been thoughtfully planned out and packaged in the Dude Case. And don't worry, ladies. There's a Diva Case designed just for us in vibrant colors and with just as many pockets, and that handy zippered valuables pocket with carabiner. And what about those unavoidable spills? You know, the shampoo explosions that we all wish could be averted. Well, I can't prevent those, but I have made the Dude and Diva cases washable. So throw them in the laundry machine, hang them to dry, and your Dude and Diva case are ready for the next trip. I also sell my pattern on my Etsy store. Thanks for watching, and I wish you safe and organized travels.